When people hear the word legacy, they usually think about money, an inheritance, a house, an investment account. But I believe legacy is much bigger than that. It's about the values, habits, and opportunities we leave behind for the people we care about. Money can certainly be part of your legacy, but teaching your children how to budget, how to save, how to invest, and how to make wise financial decisions can have an impact that lasts for generations. Financial planning isn't only about growing wealth, it's also about preparing the next generation to manage that wealth responsibly. Because financial knowledge is one of the greatest gifts you can pass on. Many families who build lasting wealth have one thing in common. They intentionally teach financial responsibility. They don't simply leave assets behind. They pass along the knowledge, discipline, and habits needed to protect and grow those assets. That's how true generational wealth is built. Legacy isn't just what you leave behind, it's what you pass along. So here's something to think about. What's one financial lesson you hope your future generations will always remember? If today's message resonated with you, I'd love to help you continue your financial education. Take a moment to fill out the short form linked in the description. Once you do, we'll be able to connect and share free financial education, practical resources, and helpful insights that can support you and your family's financial future. Remember, the greatest legacy isn't simply what you leave behind, it's the wisdom and opportunities you pass on to the people you love. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build a lasting financial legacy. I'll see you in the next video.